My young son, Stephen, was 19 years old when he was diagnosed with a brain tumour. And he had surgery, but sadly he died in August of 2014. And to mark the first anniversary of his death, my daughter wrote an article for the Mail on Sunday's You magazine about losing a sibling. And in that article she launched a government e-petition which went on to have 120,000 signatures. The Petitions Committee in Parliament, a select committee, picked up on the petition, and although at the time we'd only got about 14,000 signatures, they deemed that it was a matter that wasn't being addressed by Parliament, and they actually launched their first ever inquiry. And we're hoping that the outcome of the debate is that more funding will become available, and that PhD students like you have here now can continue the work they're doing. You need the brightest brains and the best brains available to work on what is an incredibly complex issue.
We need an increase in funding for brain tumour as a site-specific cancer. It's been underfunded historically over a number of years, and we can see the results of that in the outcome for patients is so much poorer than all other types of cancer. Historically, brain tumours have been funded by mainly charities, been set up usually by patients, by carers. And although this has really facilitated research over the last 20 years, what really needs is a large input of government funding. The campaign has raised awareness amongst all sections of society, not only in Parliament, but other areas as well, about the woeful underfunding of brain tumours compared to other tumours. We have made a lot of progress here. We've got working on various aspects of therapies. We are looking at repurposing drugs that are used to treat other diseases, not only in cancer. We have found new druggable targets, and we're looking to actually create novel compounds to target these. What we really need is an injection of funding to be able to take this very much from the basic laboratory, sort of bench to bedside, where we can translate our laboratory findings, which have show great promise, actually into the clinic to help patients.